We are Propack Technologies. I am Adesh Shetty. I look after I'm a assistant sales manager over here. We are into processing equipments for liquid formulations, for sterile ointments, syrups, kits. So all the vessels, media preparation vessels, and everything we do it in house. We have our factory in Mumbai, India, and we have been in the market for the past 23 years. And we have supplied to all over the world. We have our presence in more than 40 countries in the globe. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.